Hello and welcome to this presentation of Mobile2Sage. My name's Ara Martirossian and I'm going to show you how to create multi-supplier purchase orders for BOMs and import these into Sage. So the scenario is quite simple really. I'm going to create bills of materials for projects. These will have similar components, and instead of sending a purchase order per bill of material, I'm going to send a consolidated purchase order to allow me to get the best purchasing price. And then I'll review those in Sage. So let's have a look at how I've set this up. So these are my purchase orders at the moment, and these are my components. So I'm going to use Mobile2Sage to extend the functionality of Sage. So I'm going to go in here and go to my advanced modules and go to the multi-supplier purchase orders. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a new bill of material. And the last one I created was 18, so I'm going to create one called 19. And that's got some analysis fields on it, and I'm just going to go and create these. So there you are. And at the moment, this particular bill of material has got 5 components on it, some Z6, Z8, and Z4. And it's got 2 other components from a different supplier. So I'll just save those. So that's BOM 19 all done. So the next thing I'm going to do is go and create BOM 20. So go in here, take what I had before, make that BOM 20. Make that, I don't know, 56, 66, and 76 for new analysis codes. That's good. And the difference here is going to be I'm only going to have, let's get rid of these. I'm going to have 5 of those, for example. I'm going to have 5 of those, and I'm not going to have any of those at all. So I've only got 4 components on here. So again, what I'll do is I'll save bill of material 20. So I've now got bill of material 19, and I've got bill of material 20. So if I go back here and look at the IDs, there we are, 19 and 20. So that one has got 4 components on it. That one's got 5 components on it. So what I want to do is consolidate those rather than produce individual ones. So I'll just say consolidate that one, and send the PO. So off it goes, and what it does is it will send that through to the accounts department. There's the Excel spreadsheet going through now. And what it will do is it will then add those components together to produce one consolidated one. So we're looking for example, Z04 has got, so Z06 has got 1,000 on that one, and Z06 has got 1,000 on that one. So we need 2,000 on the consolidated PO. And similarly, we'll need 500 for that one, and 500 for that one, 1,000 on Z08. Okay, it's now finished doing that. So let's go and have a look at the POs. And if I go to purchase orders and refresh that, there you go, 42 and 43, and 42 is the interesting one, and it has correctly picked up the 3 products, and there you are. So you can see that's the 2,000 being the consolidated amount, there's 1,000 being a consolidated amount, and 100 being the single amount from one BOM. And if I go to the other consolidated PO, again I can see I've got 15 and 15 coming from the 2 lines. Very powerful. So just to recap, we created bills of materials. Those belong to projects. We have components. Those components came from common suppliers. And what we did was we created consolidated purchase orders across all of those bills of materials and then automatically imported those into Sage. So just to recap, Mobile2Sage is a platform which allows you to extend the functionality of Sage both inside the office and outside. So remote users, iPhone, iPad users, Mac and PC users can use the system both online and offline, and it also works on any version of Sage. It has lots of key features, so you can do things like creating sales orders, purchase orders, invoices, and so on. iPhones and iPads are great for capturing timesheets and expenses. They have cameras, so they're great for barcode scanning. And of course, being touch sensitive, you can use them for customer signatures like proof of delivery and so on. And they work in both in and out, syncing data with the Office. So in effect, Mobile2Sage is Sage on the go. So key features, very quick and easy to set up, typically less than half a day. It's very cost effective, and there's a free trial, so please feel free to contact us and we'll organize that for you. It works with any version of Sage, there's no need to upgrade, and you can share your data with staff, customers, suppliers, and stakeholders. It's very powerful for converting things that are paper-based into custom apps, and it's very quick to produce prototypes. So please feel free to contact us to discuss your requirements. Thank you very much for your time and interest in our Mobile2Sage and the creation of consolidated multi-supplier bills of material purchase orders and importing these into Sage. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.